heard about outdoor power, and I was like, ooh, that sounds nice, small engines. And as soon as I came in here, I saw this beauty almost halfway taken apart. And I was just like, automatically, yep, I'm home.
I took the program, I graduated through here in 2005. At that time, we did a lot of lawnmowers, snow blowers, weed eaters, chainsaws, that sort of thing. But now we're kind of getting into a world where all of that stuff is disposable. I've been trying to make it a little more interesting for kids, getting into the power sports and the ag equipment.
In the Mohawk Valley, motorsports are very popular. So we have a number of garages, a number of opportunities for students that'll specialize in that. We're also in the heart of farming communities, and being able to have a student that can leave here saying, I can come to your farm and service your tractor, that doesn't happen. So the job opportunities are there for the students that want to work.
I've always ridden dirt bikes and four-wheelers and all that stuff, and I've always enjoyed working on them, but I've worked on a few different farms. Taking things apart, seeing how they work, and putting them back together, and actually seeing it run is pretty rewarding.
When you break it down, the program's engine repair is what the heart of the program is. So it's a lot more interesting to work on engine repair on something that they can relate to.
It's actual genuine learning, and that's what's exciting for me, seeing that every day.
Probably half the kids that come through the program just get the knowledge for their own use. But a lot of these kids end up going out and starting their own businesses, or they could also go on and further their education.
I came here knowing nothing, and now I feel like I can take this entire motorcycle engine apart and put it right back together, possibly do more customizations. I feel accomplished.